The first word in our series is accurate, यानी बिल्कुल सही। इस वर्ड का मतलब है free from any errors, यानी बिल्कुल ठीक और correct. An example is, his description of the event was accurate. Another word to know is alternative, यानी दूसरा रास्ता या विकल्प। इस वर्ड का मतलब है available as another possibility or choice. An example is, we need to find an alternative solution. Next up, we have annual, यानी हर साल होने वाला। इस वर्ड का मतलब है occurring once every year. An example is, the company hosts an annual meeting in December. Moving on, let's talk about capable, यानी योग्य या काबिल। इस वर्ड का मतलब है having the ability or qualities to do something. An example is, she is capable of handling complex tasks. Then we have the word complex, यानी जटिल या पेचीदा। इस वर्ड का मतलब है consisting of many connected parts, complicated. An example is, the math problem was extremely complex.
The next word is diverse, यानी विविधता भरा। इस वर्ड का मतलब है showing a great deal of variety. An example is, our team is culturally diverse. Another important word is inadequate, यानी अपूर्ण या नाकाफी। इस वर्ड का मतलब है not enough or not good enough. An example is, the supplies were inadequate for the trip. Let's talk about unaware, यानी अनजान या बेखबर। इस वर्ड का मतलब है not knowing or realizing something. An example is, she was unaware of the upcoming deadline. Now let's understand the word ambiguous, यानी अस्पष्ट। इस वर्ड का मतलब है open to more than one interpretation. An example is, his answer was ambiguous and unclear. Finally, we have beneficial, यानी लाभदायक या फायदेमंद। इस वर्ड का मतलब है producing good or helpful results. An example is, regular exercise is beneficial to your health.
The next word is consistent, यानी लगातार। इस वर्ड का मतलब है always behaving in the same way. An example is, his consistent efforts led to his promotion. Another important word is conventional, यानी पारंपरिक या रिवायती। इस वर्ड का मतलब है following accepted standards or norms. An example is, he prefers conventional teaching methods. Let's talk about crucial, यानी बहुत जरूरी। इस वर्ड का मतलब है extremely important or essential. An example is, communication is crucial in teamwork. Now let's understand the word distinct, यानी अलग। इस वर्ड का मतलब है clearly different or separate. An example is, the twins have distinct personalities. Then, we have efficient, यानी कुशल। इस वर्ड का मतलब है achieving maximum productivity with minimal effort. An example is, the new software is highly efficient.
The next word is explicit, यानी स्पष्ट या साफ-साफ। इस वर्ड का मतलब है stated clearly with no confusion. An example is, the instructions were explicit and easy to follow. Another important word is fundamental, यानी मूलभूत। इस वर्ड का मतलब है forming a necessary base or core. An example is, trust is fundamental in any relationship. Let's talk about innovative, यानी नए विचार से भरा। इस वर्ड का मतलब है featuring new ideas or methods. An example is, the company launched an innovative product. अब समझते हैं द वर्ड इंटीग्रल, यानी आवश्यक या आवश्यकता। इस वर्ड का मतलब है एसेंशियल और नेसेसरी। An example is, teamwork is integral to the project's success. Intensive, यानी तीव्र या गहन। इस वर्ड का मतलब है involving concentrated effort or focus. An example is, she took an intensive language course.
The next word is intrinsic, यानी स्वाभाविक। इस वर्ड का मतलब है belonging naturally, inherent. An example is, creativity is intrinsic to the design process. अगला वर्ड है notable, यानी प्रसिद्ध या विशेष रूप से ध्यान देने योग्य। इस वर्ड का मतलब है worthy of attention, remarkable. An example is, her speech was notable for its clarity. The next word is obvious, यानी स्पष्ट या साफ नजर आने वाला। इस वर्ड का मतलब है easily seen, recognized और understood. An example is, The solution was obvious to everyone. Next is the word persistent, यानी लगातार. इस word का मतलब है continuing despite difficulty. An example is, his persistent attitude led to success. Next we have prevalent, यानी आम तौर पर पाया जाने वाला. इस word का मतलब है widespread or commonly occurring. An example is, this trend is prevalent among teenagers.
The next word is prominent, यानी महत्वपूर्ण. इस word का मतलब है important और well known. An example is, she is a prominent figure in politics. अगला शब्द है relevant, यानी उपयुक्त या संबंधित. इस word का मतलब है closely connected to the topic. An example is, his points were highly relevant to the discussion. Moving on we have subsequent, यानी अगला या बाद में आने वाला. इस word का मतलब है coming after something else. An example is, the subsequent events shocked everyone. Now let's understand the word substantial, यानी महत्वपूर्ण. इस word का मतलब है large in size or importance. An example is, he made a substantial contribution to science. Finally we have sufficient, यानी पर्याप्त या काफी. इस word का मतलब है enough or adequate. An example is, the food provided was sufficient for everyone.
Thanks for tuning into this TOEFL talk. Now that you've unlocked the power of adjectives, get ready to take your language skills even further. In the next video, we'll explore verbs, the action-packed words that bring your sentences to life. Stay tuned, and let's keep building that winning TOEFL vocabulary.